So I recently traveled to Georgia and I just made it back. And on my way back, I stopped at Love's and I got the ROADPRO padlock, which I guess is their version of a heavy duty padlock. So we're gonna see just what all it takes to get into it. I paid like $25 for it, so I'm hoping it puts up at least a little fight, but we'll see. So let's use some top of the keyway tension here. There's a lot of slop in this core, wow, it's like really wiggling around. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. What the F? Okay, well, that was a waste of $25. Alright, so there you have it. It's the ROADPRO, whatever lock it is. Don't let its size fool you. Um, this thing, it's cheap, I guess. It's pretty easy to break into. Anyway, I'll have some more lock picking videos soon. Next, we'll try and get into this little 50mm brass ROADPRO lock. We'll see how that one does, see if it puts up a better fight. And until then, have a nice day.